Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change who can call me to my contacts on Emo HD. So let's get started. Firstly, open Emo HD app in a device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on security and privacy. Then tap on call. Next you can see the option of who can call me. Below it you can see the option of my contacts. Tap on it. So this is how you can change who can call me to my contacts on Emo HD. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials I use every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.